that is on 30th December 2012 at about 11:30 a.m. Advocates from Telangana state, especially from Hyderabad, at Nampally Criminal Court, we have gathered to show the solidarity and to support Advocate Rakesh Sharma, who was beaten by the police, UP police, mercilessly. And the advocates from Telangana state would like to deliver a message and also to refresh the memory of the Indian police, especially UP police. Say them that one advocate equal to 1 million advocates. Though we are practicing in different states, though we adopted legal feats in different manner, but our souls are connected to each other. Any single atrocity done on any single advocate, irrespective of their gender, it means that it happened on 1 million advocates. And coming to the Rakesh Sharma incident day, nation saw the visuals. In the visual, it's clearly showed like 15 to 20 police officials were carrying the lathi and also some guns, enter into the premises and forcibly broke open the door. And when they saw the Rakesh Sharma advocate was in advocate black coat uniform, they pulled out it from inside. And when he came outside, all the police, 15-20 police officials started beating him with lathis, due to which he fallen down. And still the police continued beating on him. And later on 2-3 officials from behind got hold his collar and dragged him from one place to another place, and by continuing the beating. So after the incident, what SP said, and he made false allegations that Mr. Rakesh Sharma, first he fired on the police, in return in self-defense the police didn't like this. But we came across all the visuals, not only taken by the private people, but also the police were there, they were also recording. If it is believed to be that Rakesh Sharma fired on the police officials, then why the police not revealed the video to the media to support them? It is nothing but it is irresponsible statement, and the UPSP has to learn from our Commissioner Telangana State, Mr. Anjani Kumar, the administrative process and what to say, where to say, and many things he has to learn. And coming to the BCI, coming to the Allahabad High Court, and we advocate, really appreciate to the action taken by the Allahabad High Court. Not only suo motu registered, taken the action, but Honorable Allahabad High Court on yesterday on 29/12 appointed Chief Judicial Magistrate to inquire into this matter, and also posted this matter on 8/1/2021 here next year. So by this, we the advocates got more strong belief on the judiciary, especially for the action taken by the Honorable Judge of Allahabad High Court. Besides this, we salute and congratulate, and we are very much, we gain the respect toward the BCI for passing, Bar Council of India passing the resolution against this incident, and also referring to the other state, this incident, example by they are quoted that West Bengal and Bengal and throughout India, what the atrocities occurred on the advocates, for which they passed the resolution, and for passing the resolution, not only they stop here, they had said in the BCI resolution,
Mahmood Praja,
resolution that they will conduct virtual meeting with all the state bar councils, and also they will discuss and they will take opinion, and at last they would like to bring into the notice of Union Minister and also the Prime Minister to make one law which should support the advocates, because the advocates not having any security and protection. So if these things succeeded, then it's very good for the advocate, because see, police has protection and other higher official, judicial, government people have protection, and we are the advocates. Till today, since the formation of Advocate Act till today, no protection was there to the advocate, and till today where advocates are facing this type of situation. And beside this, we urge Telangana Bar Council members as well as especially to Mr. Narasimha Reddy sir to pass resolution. Similarly, like BCI they did, and if they pass a resolution by taking so moto passing the resolution highly appreciated, because if they done this job, then this Hyderabad will become second place after BCI to pass the resolution. This give very positive and good impact on other states, and they will also come forward, I hope. And beside this, Supreme Court Bar Council also passed resolution to support Mr. Mahmood Paracha Saab, senior advocate, for the inaction of the police, which they did with the Mahmood Paracha sir advocate, by saying that for incriminating evidence they found, and they had raided, and now not only they issued the search warrant and seized his laptop. When it could be happened as per section 94 and 93 of Criminal Procedure Code. So if there is threat of death, or if there is threat of physical illness, at that time, if incriminating evidence are available, in those cases only it is permissible to seize the property or laptop like this. But whereas he is the defense lawyers, and the defense lawyers is not only fighting for the victims and people. In order to discourage his efforts, the police has done like this. So, however, at last, I humbly request all the advocates, and also especially to UP advocate Mr. Rakesh Sharma, who are with you, no need to hesitate, and please move forward. And also our message to advocate fraternity, please come forward and to deliver a strong message by gathering and conducting this type of meetings. Thank you very much.